Don't you just hate sticky DVD drives when they won't come out like this? This stuff bangs, you just slap it or something. And then it finally comes out. This is a fix. You'll need two Q-tips, one wet and one dry. You're gonna get the wet one, and you see there's like a rubber band thing. You can't see it, it's like right there. When you see the rubber band thing, just press the Q-tip against it, and then it'll clean it out. Watch, I'll show you. Well, I can't show you because I only have one hand. Presses against it, but it'll get a couple dirty. I already cleaned this one, so that won't work on this one. You see through that dirt. There's dirt on this shit. Can't really fucking tell. Oh, there we go. See how open and closed just fine now. See? That's a perfect fix. You just need one, I'll just use one Q-tip right now. You know, both. You get both a dry and a wet one. Use the wet one first and do that. What I just did with the dry one. And then use the use the wet one. What I just did for the dry one, and then use the dry one the same method I did, and it'll work 100%. So you don't have to fucking open it and change the rubber band or any bullshit like that. You don't have to do anything. Well, thanks for watching my video. Hope this helps you guys out.